मिल रही है ढाका से और यहाँ पर जो शिष्टमंडल स्तर की जो बातचीत चल रही थी उस बातचीत के बाद में अब दोनों देशों के बीच में जो समझौते एमओयू हैं वो साइन होंगे तो निश्चित तौर से ये एमओयू सेरेमनी यहाँ पे होने जा रही है और उसकी सीधी तस्वीरें इस वक्त हमको ढाका से नजर आ रही हैं और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जिन्होंने भारतीय शिष्टमंडल का नेतृत्व किया और प्रधानमंत्री शेख हसीना जिन्होंने बांग्लादेश के शिष्टमंडल का नेतृत्व किया, उनकी बातचीत के बाद में अब दोनों देशों में क्या सहमति बनी है उसकी जानकारी अब हमको यहाँ पे इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से मिलेगी।
Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, Excellencies, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, and a very good evening to you all. We welcome you to this program organized for exchange of bilateral instruments and joint inauguration of projects. The official talks between the delegations of Bangladesh and India, led by the two Honorable Prime Ministers, have just concluded. Now, the representatives of the two governments will exchange 5 signed bilateral instruments of cooperation in the presence of the two Honorable Prime Ministers. First, I call upon His Excellency Vikram Kumar Doraiswamy, High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, and Mr. Mohammad Mohsin, Secretary, Ministry of Disaster Management and Relief of Bangladesh, to exchange the MOU on disaster management, resilience and mitigation on behalf of the respective governments. Thank you, Excellencies. I now call upon Brigadier General Nahidul Islam Khan, BSP NDC PSC, Director General Bangladesh National Cadet Corps, and His Excellency Vikram Kumar Doraiswamy, High Commissioner of India, to Bangladesh to exchange the MOU between Bangladesh National Cadet Corps and National Cadet Corps of India to do the honor on behalf of the respective governments. Thank you, Excellencies. Now I request His Excellency Vikram Kumar Doraiswamy, High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, and Dr. Mohammad Zafaruddin, Secretary, Ministry of Commerce, to exchange the MOU on the establishment of a framework of cooperation in the area of trade remedial measures between Bangladesh and India. Thank you, Excellencies. May I now request Mr. N.M. Jiaul Alam, PAA, Senior Secretary, Information and Communication Technology Division of the Ministry of Posts, Telecommunication and Information Technology of Bangladesh, and His Excellency Vikram Kumar Doraiswamy, High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, to exchange the tripartite MOU on supply of ICT for fire and rescue. Thank you, Excellencies. Finally, I would like to request His Excellency Vikram Kumar Doraiswamy, High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, and Mr. Mohammad Mahmood Hussain, Secretary, Secondary and Higher Education Division, Ministry of Education of Bangladesh, to kindly exchange another tripartite MOU on establishment of sports facilities at Rajshahi College Field and surrounding areas on behalf of the respective governments. I have the honor to announce that the Pakistan Secretary Public Relations Division also present here and to witness the exchange as a signatory of the MOU. Thank you, Excellencies. With the exchange of 5 instruments, we conclude our instruments exchange ceremony here. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, now I have the honor to announce that the two Honorable Prime Ministers are going to celebrate the release of commemorative stamps issued by the respective postal departments on the occasion of 50 years of Bangladesh-India friendship. The Honorable Prime Ministers are requested to kindly open the albums containing the commemorative stamps. These stamps issued by the Government of India depict the National War Memorial at New Delhi, India, and the National Martyrs Memorial at Shahar, Bangladesh. The stamp issued by the Government of Bangladesh depicts the National Parliament buildings of the two countries. Thank you, Excellencies. Excellencies, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, the Government of India has proposed to give 109 basic life support ambulances to the Government of Bangladesh To symbolize the gifting, the Honorable Prime Minister of India will now present a representational key to the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh. The Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh may kindly accept the representational key. Thank you, Excellencies. Distinguished guests, as part of the COVID-related cooperation between both the countries, the Government of India is gifting 1.2 million doses of Covishield vaccines to Bangladesh. To symbolize the gifting, the Honorable Prime Minister of India will now present a representational item to the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh. The Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh may kindly accept the representational item. Thank you, Excellencies. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh will now present a crest containing a gold and a silver coin released on the occasion of the birth centenary of the Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, to the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Honorable Prime Minister will also hand over a silver coin released on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the independence of Bangladesh and a watch commemorating the birth centenary of the Father of the Nation by the National Implementation Committee for the celebration of the birth centenary of the Father of the Nation. Thank you, Excellencies. Excellencies, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, in our final segment of today's program, we will now witness virtual inauguration of the bilateral cooperation projects jointly by the two Honorable Prime Ministers. First, inauguration of the foundation stone laying of the monument at Ashuganj by the Government of Bangladesh in memory of murdered members of the Indian Allied Forces. May I humbly request both the Honorable Prime Ministers to press the button on the table in front of them to jointly unveil the e-plaque and mark the inauguration.
Indian soldiers and Veer Mukti Jodha fought together to liberate Bangladesh from the reign of terror.
The martyrs of India and Bangladesh, who fought together in 1971, are blessing us from the heaven.
Thank you, Excellencies. Next, inauguration of the extended development work at Robindra Bhavan Kuchibari in Shilaidaho, Kushtia. To do the honor, I request two Honorable Prime Ministers to kindly press the button to jointly unveil the e-plaque. Thank you, Excellencies. Now, groundbreaking ceremony for infrastructure development for power evacuation facilities of Rupur Nuclear Power Plant. Both the Honorable Prime Ministers may kindly press the button to jointly unveil the e-plaque.
In today's world, one of the fastest growing economies is India's neighbor Bangladesh. 180 kilometers from its its capital Dhaka is Bhutpur. The government of Bangladesh is implementing its first 1200 megawatt Bhutpur nuclear power project. Power evacuation from the project is being financed under the Government of India's line of credit to the Government of Bangladesh. Indian companies are participating in a nuclear power project abroad. The project envisages construction of double-circuit transmission lines over 600 kilometers and other associated tasks for upgradation of Bangladesh's power systems. The infrastructure facilities by Indian companies will help to connect the nuclear power plant to the national grid of Bangladesh. This project of strategic importance will further boost the friendship between India and Bangladesh. Jai Bangla, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Excellencies. Now, the inauguration of Mitali Express passenger train service between Dhaka and New Jalpaiguri. To do the honor, may I humbly request the Honorable Prime Ministers to kindly press the button and jointly unveil the e-plaque marking the inauguration.
The first railway communication in the territory of Bangladesh was started in 1862. However, during the India-Pakistan War in 1965, Chilahati-Holdibari rail route was abandoned. After the independence of Bangladesh in 1971, our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, took initiatives in the fastest possible time to re-establish the abandoned connectivity. After 55 years, with the relentless efforts of both the Prime Ministers of Bangladesh and India, Chilahati-Holdibari rail route has been restored to resume cross-border rail service. Today, on this special occasion, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, and His Excellency Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, have inaugurated jointly the Dhaka New Jalpaiguri passenger train Mitali Express.
Thank you, Excellency. Excellencies, as a part of the commemorative celebrations, both countries have agreed to relink the road from Mujibnagar in Bangladesh to Nadia in India and name it as Shadhinota Sarak, commemorating the historic road where people from both sides gathered at a critical juncture of the liberation war of Bangladesh. We now present a short audio visual depicting the story of Shadhinota Sarak at Mujibnagar.
Baidhanath Tala of Meherpur district, presently named Mujibnagar. On 17 April 1971, at Baidhanath Tala, the provisional government of independent Bangladesh was sworn in. On that day, the four national leaders and hundreds of local and international journalists traveled to this location from India, traversing the earthen road. It was this road which triggered the first hopes of independence in the hearts and minds of the Bangladeshi people. That is why it has been named Shadhinota Sarak, or the Independence Road. 2021, the Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh's independence, as well as 50 years of Bangladesh-India diplomatic relations. Once the road from Mujibnagar to Kolkata via Nadia is developed, the bonds of friendship between the two countries will be further strengthened and deepened.
Thank you, Excellencies. Distinguished guests, our final joint inauguration today is of 3 new border hubs at Bangladesh-India border along the districts of Sunamganj and Sylhet of Bangladesh and the state of Meghalaya in India. May I humbly request the Honorable Prime Ministers to kindly press the button to jointly unveil the e-plan. Thank you, Excellencies. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to a close of the program. We thank the Honorable Prime Ministers for gracing this occasion. We thank you all for joining us. Long live Bangladesh-India friendship.